Hi there. Thanks for clicking on the link to find out how to cook the Korean fried chicken burger meal kit. So what you will have received is two lovely juicy tender boneless chicken thighs, and they are in a buttermilk gochujang marinade. Gochujang is a Korean fermented chili paste, so they've been marinated in there. Buttermilk gets them nice and tender. We're going to make burgers out of those using a corn flour, 2/3 flour to 1/3 corn flour blend with some salt and some black pepper in there. We've got some lovely buttery, soft, light brioche buns. Kimchi, which is basically a fermented Korean cabbage. A little bit like sauerkraut, but the Korean version, some chili in there, some pepper. Some crispy bacon bits. Where would life be without crispy bacon bits? And some mature cheddar cheese slices. And this is how we cook it. So first up, we're going to add our juicy chicken thighs to a bowl. You could mix them in the tray provided, but a bowl just makes it a little bit easier to get a real good coating. Then we're going to add all of the flour dust. And we're going to get stuck in, get our hands in there. We really want to work all of the flour to every single nook and cranny of the chicken. Really work it on, really push it on. So really give it a good mix. Make sure all of that flour is in all of these areas here. And then we'll just pop it back in the tray, ready for frying. So next, to start frying, we want a good glug of oil in the pan, preferably not olive oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil, something like that. You can cook these in deep fat fryer if you have one, but shallow fry will do. Wait till the oil is hot, and in we go. Okay, we want that on a medium-high heat to start with, just so we can get the sizzle on. And then we want to turn that down to a kind of medium-low heat and give them about 7 minutes on each side until they're golden brown, or if you have a food thermometer, until they reach 75 or above. So you see that these are nice and golden now, so we're just going to turn them over. Cook them again on this side for about 7 minutes. So there we go. Lovely golden crispy buttermilk gochujang fried chicken thigh. What I've done is I've toasted, just pop the brioche bun, slice in half, pop the brioche bun in the toaster, top with a slice of cheese, and then we're just going to pop the kimchi on here. Really nice, sharp, punchy kimchi. And then we're just going to pop the thigh on top of the kimchi. Now you could add lettuce, tomatoes to this. The only thing I'm going to add at the moment is a little bit of mayo to the top of the bun, just to help our lovely crispy bacon bits stick. Then we're going to pop it on top. So, there we go. Korean fried chicken, crispy buttermilk gochujang marinade with zesty, punchy kimchi, lovely crispy bacon bits, and mature cheddar cheese in a brioche bun. Hope you enjoy cooking it.